Hey everybody, Boris, BK Forex. Welcome to the crosses section for February 5 to February 9, 2018. And I have some very interesting ideas this week because I think in many ways the crosses is going to be where a lot of the action is, given a lot of idiosyncratic stories developing this week. First and foremost, I told you I like pound weakness, and I think euro pound at this point looks to be one of the strongest long trades, assuming obviously that BOE is going to be dovish. And we get that continuation move from 87 to 89. 87 is support, 89 is the target. We're around 88s right now. Another trade I think is interesting and very much off the beaten path, but very much worth considering, is the CAD yen to the short side. This is basically the North America blow-up trade. The idea here is if there is problem in Washington, and of course yen responds negatively, and that exacerbates the issues with Washington, Ottawa negotiations. CAD yen just looks decimated. It made a nice, interesting turn on the charts this week, today, and it looks ripe for further falling if risk aversion really kicks in. So to me, this is a North American risk aversion trade galore next week. And then pound Swiss is at very critical support that, if broken, I think has chances here now for us to take it all the way down to maybe 130 as the week progresses. Again, on the pound weakness story. Let's take a look at the charts here. We can start with pound Swiss last being first here, because you see this 31.50 support. That's where we're holding. That's a double bottom support, really almost a triple bottom support. But a slip there really takes us straight up down to the 130 level. So there's a lot of potential here for more downside action if cable gets sold off as the week progresses. In a similar way, in this vein, let's take a look at the euro pound to the upside. This is my sort of more favorite or all-time favorite trade this week. I like this trade to the long side. Look at this. We got a nice double bottom at the 87s. We have a higher low that we formed on Thursday. And yes, we are just nibbling at this resist point at 88.20, but a break above here really puts us squarely on the path towards 89. And to me, the chart looks like very strong support around the 87 level, and looks ready to bust out. This is really a negative pound trade, and I think it has more continuation to go. And then last, but certainly not least and most intriguing, is this CAD yen. Just take a look at this. So here we are. It's got a double top, a lower top failure here around 89.50. But more interestingly, look at this reversal. This is a full engulfing candle. This suggests more risk aversion to the downside. If yen gets sold off, if we get taken out towards the 109 test to the downside, CAD is going to stay weak, at least in the first part of the week, because of all the uncertainty going on with NAFTA. That really takes us straight down towards 88. So I like that as kind of the North American risk aversion trade into the week. Those are the best cross ideas I have. Wish you guys the best luck, the best of trading. Boris, over and out.